Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between prime cost versus conversion cost. Prime cost is the total direct costs of production, including raw materials and labor. Businesses need to calculate the prime cost of each product manufactured to ensure they are generating a profit. On the other hand, conversion costs are all the costs incurred to convert raw materials into a finished good. Conversion costs include direct labor and manufacturing overhead. So, let's look into the basic differences between prime cost versus conversion cost in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Prime cost includes all direct costs like raw materials and direct labor, whereas conversion cost includes direct labor and overhead costs involved in turning raw materials into finished goods. Number 2. The formula for prime cost is direct materials plus direct labor, whereas the formula for conversion cost is direct labor plus manufacturing overheads. Number 3. Prime cost consists of direct materials and direct labor. On the other hand, conversion cost includes direct labor and indirect overheads like electricity and rent. Number 4. Prime costs are fully traceable to each unit produced, whereas conversion costs include indirect components that are not fully traceable to individual units. Number 5. Prime costs are generally variable, directly increasing with production, whereas conversion costs are semi-variable or fixed, as some overheads remain constant regardless of output. Number 6. Price setting using prime cost is simpler and more straightforward, whereas using conversion cost is more complex due to the need to allocate overheads. Number 7. An example of a prime cost is leather and stitching wages for a shoe, whereas an example of a conversion cost includes factory electricity and supervisor salary. Number 8. Prime cost is affected by material costs and labor efficiency, whereas conversion cost is affected by indirect factors like machinery wear, rent, and utility rates. Number 9. Prime cost is used to set minimum product price and monitor direct inputs, whereas conversion cost is used to measure production efficiency and waste management. Number 10. Prime costs vary directly with production volume. On the other hand, conversion costs may not scale proportionally due to the presence of fixed costs. Number 11. Prime costs are clearly visible and identifiable in cost sheets, whereas conversion costs often need allocation methods to be identified in product cost. And difference number 12. Both cost types are mostly used in manufacturing sectors, but prime costs are more relevant for product pricing, whereas conversion costs are crucial for production process control. So, these are the differences between prime cost versus conversion cost. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.